Think you need to be an expert, a tech genius, or have a huge audience to launch an online course? Nope, not anymore. Hey, I just found something super cool called Course Creation Warrior. And if you've ever wanted to launch your own course, but didn't know where to start, or felt totally overwhelmed by all the moving pieces, this thing might be your new best friend. So here's the deal. Course Creation Warrior gives you a complete, step-by-step system to create and launch your first digital product in just 14 days. No guesswork, no tech headaches. Just one simple task a day, and by the end, you've got a course ready to sell, actually ready. And get this, it's totally AI-powered. You get plug-and-play ChatGPT prompts that help you write your course content, your emails, your sales page, and even your video scripts. So if writing freaks you out, you're covered. This isn't just theory either. The creator used this exact system to pull in over $33,000 in a week. So yeah, it's battle-tested. I love this because it's super beginner-friendly. Yeah, you don't need a list. You don't need fancy funnels. And it's only $27. That's like 2 coffees and a muffin. Here's a quick recap. 14-day step-by-step system. Built for total beginners. Powered by AI tools, so you're never stuck. Affordable. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you've been sitting on a course idea or even just thinking maybe one day, this could be the perfect way to finally make it real. I dropped the link below if you want to check it out. And if you end up grabbing it, shoot me a message. I'd love to hear what kind of course you create. All right, that's it for me. Catch you soon.